Now I have made 8 flapjacks yesterday, and you can see that they are all ready to undergo the transformation into Flapjackingtons. Okay, so I've got lemon jelly, blueberry jelly, raspberry jelly, and chocolate icing. If you've made a Lamington before, you know the process. You get a whole bunch of coconut, put it out on your plate. That's a lot of coconut. Alright, and now we are going to do the dipping. I'm going to start making the chocolate one first. So you're supposed to dip it in. Just to confirm, this is all new and experimental. Could probably dip the whole pancake in, but I'm probably not going to because it might be a little bit over the top. So I'm going to spread it with icing. Spread it like this. You can come in close up with that. Alright, spread that with icing. I think the chocolate one's probably going to be the hardest one. Flip it over. Get a bit more chocolate on here. This is how you, if this was an actual Lamington, you would probably just be dipping the sponge in the chocolate mixture, and it's a lot smaller. Okay, so now is the bit that counts to get this crikey into here. Oh my goodness. I think I've got it on my face now. Yeah, flip it over. Look at that, look at that. Okay. It is a little bit like, it's a bit like coating a fish, ready to pan fry. Here we go. This is fire. All right. Give it a little bit of a shake, and we'll put it there. Okay, next one. Okay, for the other flavors, we've got 3 jelly flavors, which is how you make the classic Lamington, and so how I'm going to be making my Flapjackingtons. We're going to start off with lemon. Okay, so we're going to grab one of these pancakes and dunk that bad boy in some lemon jelly. Check this out. This. I'm going to use my fingers because this is a prototype. It's probably not going as well as I could have thought. I'm going to dunk it in. Alright, we've got the lemon one. It's looking pretty nice. Not massively lemon. Put that lemon and coconut. Okay. Alright, now we're going to go with the blueberry one. I'm going to submerge it in here. To be honest, the blueberry and the lemon jelly is sort of kind of a little bit of a Hail Mary flavour. I suspect the raspberry and the chocolate are going to be a bit better, but we're going to submerge this. Oh, look at that. Look how delightful this is. It's going to be a blueberry flavour. I'd just like to emphasise that this process is entirely for items that I'm going to be eating myself, so it doesn't really matter how much I put my fingers in it. To be honest, it looks like some sort of primordial Smurf goo now. Anyway, pop it on here. Yes. And then we're going to put some more coconut on it. Okay, we're going to go with the final colour. It's going to be the classic raspberry. We're going to dunk. Okay, look at that. This is going to be good. Once again, and we get some nice pink going. Really infuse the flavour of the Flapjackington. Now I'm a little bit unsure whether I'm going to be calling these Flapjackingtons or Lamingjacks. Let me know if you have a preference or you think one's better than the other. Kind of inclined to go with Flapjackingtons. Alright, final coat, put that in the coconut there. Alright. Okay, we're on the home straight of Flapjackington City. So I've got all my flapjacks coated in Lamington. And now I'm going to roll them up and put them on this tray. Let's start. It's like rolling sushi. Look at that. Ooh, nice. Smells like one of those yummy sort of lemon slices that you can get. Look at this. Going blue, blueberry, which is the nice side? Probably this side. Give it a bit of a shake. Roll it up. Look at that. It's quite aesthetic. And there we have it. Should we do? All right, so I'm going to do a second prototype where I've got the partially formed Flapjackington, and I'm going to go for a slightly different look, well, slightly different assemblage, and see if it works better. So I'm essentially going to be layering it up and going like that with some cream soon. So we're going to see how that goes. I have filled my piping bag with cream, and we're going to pipe the cream into the Flapjackingtons. Right, I'm going to start with the brown one. It's going to be pretty cool. Look at that. Ooh, yummy. And some from the other end. Ooh, look at that bad boy. Here we go. Look at that. Ooh. Look at this, how beautiful that is. I'm gonna get it filled from the other end. Ooh, Flapjackington, yummy. And the final one, the blue one. Let's go. Ooh, yummy boy. Yummy boy there. All right. Okay, and I'm going to do a second variant of the Flapjackington to see if this structure is better. So let's go. I've got 4 segments, and we're going to go like this. Ooh. All right, time to taste test. I'm going to cut them all in half and go from there. And I reckon this is probably going to be a bit nicer. Here we have the world's first raspberry Flapjackington. Very nice, not very sweet. Now, I'm going to go for my favourite, chocolate Flapjackington. Let's go. World's first chocolate Flapjackington. Get in my belly. Today we have a new baked item. Welcome to the world, the Flapjackington. We also have a secondary format for those who might want the more structured approach. I'm not going to eat this one. Yeah. So welcome to the world. I give you the Flapjackington.